Hello everyone. Today, we will learn how to connect your OpenAI API keys with Kopify. To begin, log into your OpenAI account. From there, you can view your OpenAI key and create your API keys. You can name your API key whatever you prefer. For example, I am naming mine Kopify. Once you generate your key, copy and paste it into Kopify, and then click on Connect. It might take a little time, but once it connects, you will receive an update notification. Now let's discuss why your API key might get rejected. To avoid rejection, go to the usage section in your OpenAI account and ensure that your monthly usage limit has not been exceeded. Additionally, if you haven't already set up a paid account, do so, and adjust your usage limit as needed. We also recommend upgrading your OpenAI account from the free trial version. By default, the free trial account has a rate limit of 3 requests per minute, which is insufficient for most tasks. If you upgrade to a pay-as-you-go account, you can send up to 3,500 requests per minute, ensuring that you never get stuck with Kopify. We hope this video has been helpful to you.